To connect your Tapo C225 camera with the Android smartphone, first you will need to connect your camera to the power source, and there's a cable included. You need to plug it in right here. After that, you will need to give this camera around 2 minutes or 1 minute to boot, and if you see a LED lamp right here flashing with blue and red light, that means you can already pair it to the app. If there's no LED lamp blinking, then you will need to perform a reset by flipping the gimbal and clicking on the reset button, holding it for around 10 seconds until it resets, and after that we'll be able to instantly move to the setup. We can install a Tapo app from Google Play Store and open it. Then inside you will need to let me remove this camera real quick, and then we need to click on this plus button, add the device, search for Tapo C225, click on it, and then choose your version. If you have a QR code underneath right here, that means you have Tapo version 2. If there's no QR code, then you will need to go for version 1. Then we can move to the next step, and it should begin pairing with your camera. Now select the Wi-Fi network that you want to use. Keep in mind that it doesn't support 5G networks. Select one and then connect with it. After that, we can rename our device, choose a specific place where you want it to be, and select the icon, and the setup should be finished.